Hello, I'm Debbie Bell-Hosking here in Stockholm, and I'm talking to Adam Strandberg of the Stockholm Fintech Hub. We're chatting about branding fintech startups. So Adam, hello.
Hi.
Let's first of all go straight into how does the branding of fintech companies look now, and are we seeing changes?
All the small companies that are trying to be different from the big banks, they're making a kind of a more fun approach than the current banks. So instead of the old banking blue, they're taking on like a whole color scheme, if you will. We can see that they're more friendly in their tone. They're being, well, trying to be more friendly than a big corporate bank. And we're also seeing a change like the big startup banks like Klarna here in Sweden. They were at first like this impression of a big bank, a banking blue bank, but now they're transitioning into being a more fun startup way. Like they're using pizza as icons and sunglasses, and they're using multiple colors. So I mean they're taking another approach to this as well.
Adam, what would you say are the considerations when branding fintech startups?
Compared to like regular startups, any category other than fintech, fintech especially is based on trust. I mean, you have your money somewhere at that startup. You want to make yourself trustworthy. So, and you can do that in multiple ways. You can do that by looking very corporate and professional. That's one direction. But you can also be, if you take the more visual approach and be more fun in that way, you can be more human and be more user-centered in your approach to people. Because every touch point needs to have the consistent brand. So inconsistent branding will make your brand untrustworthy. It won't look serious.
So Adam, you talk about a commitment to branding. If you are just starting out as a fintech company, how much importance and energy should you give to brand and identity?
I think it's very important. Every touch point that you make to a customer or like your partners, that is your brand. So try to make that consistent with your product, with your website, with your social media. All that counts into the whole brand experience.
And what about identity?
So if you are this more playful brand, then you need to make the trust element into that more user-centered, more human, if you will. Compared to if you are this corporate company, then maybe the visual identity is the serious trustworthy part of that.
And do you think you should watch what your competitors are doing, and how should you react to that?
Absolutely. So I mean, if everyone else is doing the playful style, maybe you should be the banking blue one, or the other way around. So try to look at your competitors and maybe twist it around, like do what they are not doing.
Adam, it's great to chat to you about your top tips for branding fintech startups. Thank you.
Thank you.
And thank you for watching.